Hi, I'm back for another food product review for you today. This time outdoors. We decided to eat our mashed potatoes outside, and these are the ones we made. Idahoan. Roasted garlic and Parmesan baby Red's brand mashed potatoes. That's what we're eating today. I'll show you the nutrition facts, I'll show you the ingredients and how to make it on the stovetop and the microwave directions. So let's get started. I have my bowl here, but I put my eggs already on top of it because we were carrying it outside like this. But I'll tell you what they taste like. Silly me. They already put garlic in there. It's good. I like them. These are the best ones of the instant mashed potatoes that I have tried. Perfectly seasoned, I think. Let me show you the ingredients. The first ingredient is Idaho potatoes, a blend of russet and red varieties. Maltodextrin Parmesan cheese blend. You see what that is, and you can read the rest. Let me show you what a beautiful package this is. And yes, it's good. Tastes like roasted garlic and Parmesan. It really does. It says America's favorite mashed potatoes. It says made with red and russet potatoes with skins. Perfectly blended with roasted garlic and Parmesan cheese, like I already said. Natural and artificial flavorings. Net weight 4.1 ounces, 116.4 grams. Grown in Idaho, in a state here in the United States of America. 4 half-cup servings. Let me show you how you can make them on the stovetop. These are the directions, and then here, these are the microwave directions. That's how we made it. They came out good this way. Yay! Gluten-free. Not too salty. I like that Parmesan-y flavor. Thank you for watching another food product review from me today. Till next time. Till soon, I hope. Bye.